This region was the protagonist of a serious economic crisis, and this is mainly due to the crisis of the international price of cocoa that fell down, throwing the economy of the region in the worst crisis of its history. At the same time, the crisis in the region became even worse as a consequence of the infestation of the fungus Crenipellis perniciosa. The main effects of this ecological and economic crisis were a strong abandonment of cocoa monoculture and a big emigration of the rural workers to urban areas, and an intensification of the livestock breeding and the deforestation of all the area. This case study shows us as a system that relies on monoculture is a particular subject to economic and ecological crisis when ecological and economic changes appears. In general, when changes occurs, resilience of the systems provides the elements of the renewal and reorganization, but some negative shifts can determine a loss of resilience. But what is resilience? Resilience is a property of a system that is defined as the capacity of a system to suffer disturbance and maintain its functions and controls. Resilience is mainly related to the magnitude of disturbance that the system can absorb and still persist, the degree of self-organization, and above all, the degree to which the system can build the capacity to learn and adapt. Resilience is often associated with diversity, both of environmental and economic conditions. Diversity increases the capacity, the adaptive capacity of the system, and it can aid to build the resilience of a social ecological system. Management, our management, human management, can destroy or build resilience, depending on how the social ecological system organizes itself in response to the management actions. Analyzing and understanding the reflexive relations between human society and environment is a key step to reach a sustainable management and to reach a sustainable development. To achieve this aim, we like to stress that it requires a social context with flexible and open institutions, and above all, a multi-level governance system that allows for learning and increase the adaptive capacity that is strictly recommended for the resilience property of the system. But just to conclude, our study case shows that the more land use is homogeneous, the more the related economic system is unstable as a consequence of its instability to respond to perturbation, inability, sorry, to respond to perturbation. Monoculture can assure a large and immediate economic growth, but it can generate an instability of the system with strong consequences from economic, social, and ecological point of view. We need an integrated approach to manage the complex system where we are living in. Moreover, we have to promote a management that assure and improve the resilience of our social ecological system. Future research should be aimed to analyze this functional aspect in order to strongly increase the adaptive capacity of our system to respond to the change that we are challenging.
Good morning. I'm going to talk about the household sector. Starting from the actual situation, we can see that the household in the last 10 years succeed to decrease their energy consumption from the 35%. But if we have to think on the future, we have to realize that the reduction is not the only variable that we have to take in consideration. In fact, the innovation is has to create new change in the system, has to provide new idea in the system that we take in consideration. So as the sustainable development could be a solution. In fact, the sustainable development take in consideration at least three different variables that are the economic aspect, the environmental sustainability, and the social sustainability. For this reason, I think that the sustainable approach and moreover the systemic approach has to be taken in consideration in the design of new household system. In fact, we should redesign the household, taking in consideration the ergonomic, the function, energy saving, social issue, and cultural background. Without this, all these elements, we can provide a good image of, or a good response to the need of our user. And to achieve this goal, we have to create a sort of relation between four different actors that could be the legislator, the economist, the producer, and the user. If we create this relation, we can achieve this goal. So reinterpreting the object according to the systemic approach is possible to create family of product and moreover system of function instead of creating a single product. In the future, maybe the next generation won't have the need to have the property of the object, but they will need to solve the need and to have an object or system of function that can provide their needs. So, and moreover, what is important is the shared responsibility of all the actors of the system that we take in consideration.